All right, check out what I've done today. I put these shelves in around the edge of the aquaponics. I got some big poles in. Eventually I'll cross some boards over it and make it so I can actually hang my my bug zapper up there. But anyways, man, I was watching Jack's videos this morning, his timber frame one. And so I came out here and just redesigned this whole thing. And there's two plants over there that I didn't even know I'd sunk down here probably last year. And I'm kind of hoping they come back, those two water plants. The one in the bucket, the blue bucket right there, and the other one, the black pot. I'm hoping they turn into exactly what you see right there, that big water plant right there. And then I cleaned out my pumps, and this guy right here is just kicking butt. But anyways, check this out. So I got this going right here. I'm gonna do pretty much the exact same stuff that Jack's got going on with his pond. I'll put some ebb and flow beds up here and just let it go, and then you know, work that in and stuff. But what I did, and I don't have a timer yet, but I'm gonna get the timer. So I came out here and I hooked up this piece right here, and I ran it down, dug a little trench. So now I've got basically these 3 garden beds. I'll just get them on timers, and I won't have to do anything. I would just automate the whole thing. And then what I'm gonna end up doing is the same thing. I'm gonna build like a little box. I'll put it up here on this pole or something like that for all the power. I think I showed that mess that I've got. So that might be something for tomorrow. And then I'm probably gonna fill all of this in. I got boards I'll put up. I got these old deck boards, so I can fill that up, make it look real pretty. And then fill in all these spaces with dirt, and that way it'll you know, insulate this in the winter and keep it cooler in the summer. And you can see the fish, like I put, there's 1, 2, 3, there's like 6 bricks in here. They're going different ways, where the holes are this way, the holes are this way, and the holes are that way. And this is that concrete board. I've got a bunch of this, and it just, obviously it sinks. And I'm gonna get more plants, I'm gonna put them in here, and just, I mean, I don't really know what to grow. If anybody's got any good ideas, or, you know, whatever, man, all the feedback, the better, you know, the more people that talk, the more ideas you get, and the more feedback you get, the better things happen. So, but I ended up using up just some regular hoses I had, and I bought a couple sets of these, recycled all my hoses. Most of this stuff was just stuff sitting around, that, like these boards, I didn't go buy any of this stuff at all. This was just stuff I had sitting around. So old projects, different projects, failed projects at work. And I put this all together today. My wife was pretty impressed about it. She kind of thinks it's a bench. I'm like, no, man, you can come out here, you can sit down, you can have a drink. And in fact, she's at the store right now. We're gonna do some chicken and some steak tonight, and obviously a big salad. I got lots of stuff growing here. But anyways, that's it. Just a bit of an update. And I'm loving it. It looks pretty good. Now I need to get some shade over top to keep the leaves out of it. So it's doing pretty good. All right, you guys all take care. Have a good weekend.